Hello guys, let's talk today about this steel fish tape. I got it from Amazon. Okay, this is manufactured by Klein. So it's a 50 feet fish tape. That translates to 15.2 meters. Okay, so it's pretty good. I've been using this for a while. As you can see here, it's manufactured here in the US. And it's very, very good. It's very sturdy. The quality is very, very good. And it's pretty easy to use, okay? You just need to work like this. You just start like rotating this part and you have your fish tape here. And then you pass through your tubes and here you can just connect your wires and pull them back that way. Okay, pretty easy, okay? I've been using this for a while for electric installation and it's pretty easy to use. And I've been using other ones in the past and they're not as good as this one. Okay, so I'm not changing anymore. I just using this one right now because it's the best one that I can see and I recommend it.